In life, our biggest mistakes don't always come from what we do. They come from what we don't do. From not appreciating what we already have. From delaying happiness until someday. Today's story will make you pause and reflect, because one small thought can turn peace into restlessness. One beautiful morning, a king went for a walk with his wise minister through the countryside. Suddenly, they noticed a poor farmer and his family laughing, dancing, and enjoying simple life. Surprised, the king asked, "How can they be happier than us, even though we have everything?" The minister smiled and said, "Because they are not part of the 99 Club." That night, a bag of 99 gold coins was left at the farmer's door.
The next morning, the farmer found the bag. They counted the coins again and again. 99.
A thought entered his mind. Why not 100? From that day, peace disappeared. Hard work turned into obsession. Laughter turned into arguments. 6 months later, the king returned. The farm was the same, but happiness was gone. The minister said, "The 99 Club is made of people who have enough but destroy their happiness chasing one more."
Happiness isn't destroyed by lack, it's destroyed by endless wanting. True contentment comes from appreciating the present.